Hello friends, today we are going to calculate the slope at support A of simply supported beam as shown in the figure. Now according to the Castigliano's theorem, if we have to find out the slope, we have to assume a arbitrary moment at the location of support A as a capital M. Now first of all, using this arbitrary moment, we have to calculate the support reaction. So if we take equilibrium condition sigma m at A equal to 0, then the reaction value of B as a RB, so 7 RB in anticlockwise direction, which is equal to clockwise moment as it is plus 25 into 3 as a moment of load. Now solving this equation, we have RB is equal to m by 7 plus 75 by 7, which is equal to m by 7 plus 10.71 as a reaction of RB. Now taking sigma V equal to 0, we will have RA plus RB, which is equal to 25 kilonewton as a downward load, hence RA, which is equal to 25 minus RB. So total value is 25 minus RB as a 10.71 minus RB, hence minus m by 7. So raised value is 14.29 minus m by 7 as a RA. Now we have assumed the arbitrary moment as m at location A and there isn't any external moment, hence our arbitrary moment value is 0. Now going ahead for the segmental part, as now for A to C segment, our origin value is A, limit of segment is given as 3 meter, moment of inertia is given as 3I. So for AC span, moment of inertia is 3 times moment of inertia of regular section. Now moment at this section, which is RA into X, as the origin distance is X. So RA value is 14.29 minus m by 7 into X, and clockwise moment is m, so plus m. Now solving this equation, we will have 14.29 into X minus m by 7x plus m, and partial derivation according to the Castigliano's theorem is del mx by del m. So partial derivation of sectional moment with respect to m is 14.29x is 0 minus m by 7 into x, with respect to del m it is minus x by 7, and partial derivation of m with respect to m is 1. So our partial derivation of this sectional moment is 1 minus x by 7 or minus x by 7 plus 1. Similarly for second segment CB, for C to B segment, our origin value is B, total span distance is given as 4 meter, hence limit of segment is 4, moment of inertia is given as I, hence the moment of inertia is I, and if we take the sectional moment at distance x, then it is RB into x anticlockwise, and according to this sign convention, sectional left hand side as a clockwise and right hand side anticlockwise, which is treated as positive, hence our value is RB into x as a positive, and our RB value is 10.71 plus m by 7, so it is 10.71 plus m by 7 into x, and solving this term we will have 10.71 into x plus m by 7 into x. Using partial derivation, sectional moment with respect to m, so 10.71 x is 0 and m by 7 into x with respect to m is x by 7. Now using this tabular form and Castigliano slope equation, we will have rotation at A, which is equal to theta AC plus theta CB according to superposition theorem. Now focusing on theta AC first, which is integration of 1 by EI, and EI value is 3 times, so it is 1 by 3 EI, limit is 0 to 3 meter, mx as a 14.29x minus m by 7x plus m, so it is 14.29x minus m by 7x plus m into minus x by 7 plus 1 into dx. Now we know that our arbitrary moment value is 0 as there isn't any external moment at location A. So we are eliminating this term m from the calculation. We will have theta AC as a 1 by 3 EI 0 to 3 into 14.29x into minus x by 7. So it is minus 14.29 by 7 into x square dx plus 14.29x into 1. So it is 14.29 x dx. Now solving this equation, we will have 1 by 3 EI minus 14.29 by 7 is constant, x square dx as a x cube by 3, now plus 14.29x dx integration 0 to 3, hence the value is 14.29 x square by 2 and limit is 0 to 3. Now closing the limit, we will have rotation of AC is 15.32 by EI. Now going ahead for the calculation of C2B span. Now theta CB is 1 by EI as a moment of inertia as a I, limit from 0 to 4 as a segmental distance is 4 meter, mx which is 10.71 into x plus m by 7 into x, and partial derivation is x by 7 into dx. Now eliminating the term m by 7x as our arbitrary moment is 0, hence the rest value is 1 by EI 0 to 4 into 10.71 x into x by 7 as a x square by 7 dx. Now 1 by EI is constant, 10.71 by 7 is also constant, and x square dx integration is x cube by 3 and limit is 0 to 4. Now closing this limit, we will have 1 by EI 10.71 by 7 as a constant value, x cube by 3 as a 4 cube by 3, and the value for theta CB, which is equal to 32.64 by EI as a theta CB, and our total slope at A is summation of theta AC, which is 15.32, and summation of theta CB as a 32.64, hence 15.32 plus 32.64, which is equal to 47.96 by EI. So according to the given data, our slope at location A, which is equal to 47.96 by EI in terms of kilonewton meter square. So thus we can calculate the rotation, or we can say that the slope at particular location or at support using the Castigliano's theorem. Thank you.